Well, welcome back to Vintage Farmhouse Antiques, and in this video we're going to show you these Coalport china. Are they sides or are they small desserts? Difficult one this. They're 8 inches in diameter, beautifully moulded by Coalport. Just look at the ribbing going out to, well, is that more ribbing or fluting really? It's a curved rim. If I just show you the side elevation, the way that scalloping rotates round. Beautifully transfer decorated in this coral red on white porcelain with gilt border detailing. I think they're probably Japanese storks. They could be swans. I've done masses of research on this pattern to see if we can identify it or get a china number or a factory reference. None of them have any decorator's reference on because they're transfer printed. There's no hand finishing apart from the gilt. Nice Coalport green crown marks, we think 1890, get the century right, before they started putting made in England or England on the Coalport marks. So these are sort of 1870, 1880s. We've got 3 of them going as individual sides. One we are going to bundle with a saucer and a teacup, which makes an absolutely delightful trio. We've got the platter. We did have the sugar bowl as well, but that is cracked through, and quite a few of these have got some issues, so won't be on sale. But these ones are all in perfect condition. Good gilt, as you can see down the sides. Just the tiniest little bit of wear, as you'd expect for something that's coming on 120, 140 years old. So beautiful examples. Coalport porcelain china, decorated beautifully with this lovely design in superb condition, and available for sale from the Vintage and Antiques website. If you pop over on the link below, all the details, measurements and further information on these plates will be available on our listing. Thanks for watching.